Hey everyone, I'm Daisy with Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get a lot of health-related questions, and today we're going to answer some viewer questions about skincare. Our first question comes from Maxine. Hi Dherbs. I know you're supposed to wear sunscreen all the time when you go outside, but you'll also get vitamin D from the sun, right? How can the sunscreen block out sunlight and not ruin your vitamin D production? Maxine, this is fiction. Studies have found that consistent sunscreen use does not decrease vitamin D levels. In fact, sometimes it may increase vitamin D levels, possibly because when people use more sunscreen, they spend more time out in the sun and get more chance to create it. So protect your skin, get out in the sun, and don't worry too much about your vitamin D. Our next question comes from Lawrence. Hello, Dherbs. My girlfriend has a very elaborate skin routine, and she's been trying to get me in on it. I told her it seems pointless, but she keeps going on about how I can't expect my skin to look nice at 50 if I just sit here and do nothing with it now. I think it sounds like nonsense, and these products seem scammy. Can you settle this once and for all? Best, Lawrence. Lawrence, this is fiction. Your girlfriend is right on this one. Moisturizer does work at reducing dryness in skin. If you go to a dermatologist, they'll tell you the same thing. It is true that usually a very elaborate skincare routine isn't necessary to get results, and usually only using one product regularly works well by itself. So it is up to you whether you want to use a moisturizer, but if you don't want to look like this when you grow up, it's a good idea. Our final question comes from Kelsey. Hey Dherbs, I've been seeing a lot of stuff on YouTube about the best ways to deal with acne, and well, I think I need the help. So I want to know if it's true that changing your diet makes a big difference with acne. Thanks, Kelsey. Kelsey, this is fiction. There's some early evidence that eating less dairy and fewer sugary foods help rein in the biological triggers for acne. But this is early evidence that needs to be repeated. And if it works, diet changes probably aren't enough to reduce existing acne on their own. Other treatment paths with a better chance of good results include over-the-counter medications or even talking to your doctor about your concerns if your acne is more serious. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have a question you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.